बाहुबली, विद्यासागर हाई स्कूल, अक्कीवाड. I am Sau J.S. Geeta J. Ma'am, Assistant Teacher, Sri Vidyasagar High School, Akkiwad, Taluka Shirur, District Kolhapur. Welcome to my English book, Standard 5. Today we are going to learn My English Book 5, Unit number 2, True Friends. So my dear students, today we are going to learn one very interesting story of two friends. Let's study. This is the story of two best friends, and in this story there are three boys. We are going to learn one very interesting story of two friends. Let's study. This is the story of two best friends. In this story, there are three boys: Aman, Ronak and Munna. Aman and Ronak and Munna. Aman and Ronak are best friends. Munna is their classmate. Now listen carefully. First I will read the story and after that I will explain it. Look at this. True friends. Question number 1. Look at the pictures. Listen carefully and read aloud. Aman was in college. He had many friends, but his best friend was Ronak. Aman says, "Hello Ronak." Ronak says, "Hello Aman, let's go home in my car." Next, Munna was in the same class. Ronak is so rich and Aman is poor. How can they be friends? Aman fell ill. He didn't go to the college for 3 days. His friends came to see him. "How are you, Aman? Get well soon." "I don't see Ronak." Next day, "Ronak, where is your friend Aman?" "He is ill." "Yesterday we went to his house, but you didn't come." "I was busy." "Your best friend is ill and you were busy? I see." "Anyway, you cannot be good friends." "Why?" "Aman didn't even ask us about you." "That's all right." The next day, Munna went to Aman's house. Thank you for coming, Munna. I am much better now. What sort of a friend is this Ronak? He doesn't come to see you at all. Oh, but he is the best of friends. How can you say that? Come, I will show you. They walked to a shop near Aman's house. What? A rich boy like Ronak working in a shop? Yes, Munna, he is doing my job. I work in the shop in the evening. When I fell ill, the shopkeeper said, if you don't come to work, I will give your job to some other boy. Don't worry, Aman. I will do your work for you. You can go back to work when you are better. Go home and rest. In this picture we see that Aman was taking rest and Ronak was doing Aman's job. Ronak comes out of the shop. Hello Munna, here is your money, Aman. But you did the work, Ronak. I did the work for you, Aman. Now I am better. I will go back to work tomorrow. Thank you, Ronak. You have shown me what true friendship is. Now we will see the explanation of the story. Let's study. So, two friends, this is the story of two best friends. In this story, there are three boys, Aman, Ronak and Munna. Aman and Ronak are best friends. Munna is their classmate. In this way, Aman, Ronak and Munna are friends and they are studying in the same class. Ronak says, hello Aman. Aman says, hello Ronak. Ronak says, hello Aman, let's go home in my car. At that time, there was Munna also standing, and Munna always wondered that Aman was very poor, Ronak is so rich, so how can be they are best friends? How can be? They are good friends. But the friendship of Ronak and Aman was very famous. Though Aman was very poor and Ronak was very rich, it doesn't matter. They are best friends. But Munna was always confused that how can be one rich friend and one poor friend are best friends. Munna was in the same class. Munna, Aman and Ronak. They are in the same class, but Ronak is very rich, Aman is very poor, but Munna always thought that Ronak is very rich, Aman is very poor. How can they be friends? One day, what happened? One day, Aman fell ill. He didn't go to the college for 3 days. He was very ill and he felt very sad because he was unable to attend his job. That's why he had many financial problems. If he did not attend the job, if he did not join a job, he was unable to pay his needs. Next day, Aman's other friends came to see him. All the friends in his college came to Aman's house for asking his health. At that time, Munna asked that, where is best friend? Ronak, I don't see Ronak anywhere. Next day, Munna asked to Ronak that, where is your best friend Aman? At that time, Ronak replied, he is ill. He unable to feel well. Munna told that yesterday he went with his other friends to visit Aman, but he didn't see Ronak anywhere. Munna asked, where are you, Ronak? Your best friend Aman fell ill and we went to his house, but he didn't come. At that time, Ronak said that he was busy. At that time, Munna says, your best friend is ill and you were busy. I see. You are best friends, but how can you ignore your best friend in his bad days? He is very ill. You must go to see him. But I am nervous. You didn't go to see Aman. Munna says, anyway, we cannot be good friends. Ronak asked, why? At that time, Munna replied, Munna says, Aman didn't even ask us about you. How can you best friend? He did not ask you. At that time, Ronak replied, "That's all right, no problem. But I am very happy." The next day, what happened? Munna went to Aman's house. Aman said, "Thank you for coming, Munna. I am much better now. I am feeling well now. I am very happy. Now I am fresh, fit and healthy." At that time, Munna says, "What sort of a friend is this Ronak? He doesn't come to see you at all. And he is your best friend. How can he? He is not your best friend. He is not good friend because he didn't come to see you. And you says that he is your best friend. How?" "Oh, but he is the best of friends because he was busy with his work and that's why he was unable to visit me." After listening this, Munna was shocked. Munna thought that Ronak gave more importance to his work, care for his friend. He even told Aman that Ronak could not be his best friend as he did not bother to visit him. Munna says, "How can you say that Ronak was your best friend?" At that time, Aman says, "Come, I will show you." Then Aman took Munna to show him where Ronak was busy. Then both Munna and Aman, they walked to a shop near Aman's house. At that time, Aman showed Munna that, "Look at the Ronak. He was very busy." Munna realized that Aman was unable to go to his part-time job because of his illness. Therefore, Ronak was working in his place to save his job. Munna understood why Aman regarded Ronak as his best friend. At that time, Munna replied, "What? A rich boy like Ronak working in a shop?" Aman says, "Yes, Munna, he is doing my job. I work in the shop in the evening. I am very ill." At that time, Ronak was busy in doing my job. He is my best friend. Munna understood why Aman regarded Ronak as his best friends. He says that when I fell ill, the shopkeeper said, "If you don't come to work, I will give your job to some other boy." That's why Ronak decided that he will join his job. And when Aman was very ill, at that time Ronak joined his job. At that time, Aman says, Ronak says, "Don't worry, Aman, I will do your work for you. You can go back to work when you are better. Go home and take rest." At that time, Ronak joined his job and he told to Aman for taking rest. And in this way, when Aman was ill, at that time, Munna was doing his job. After some time, Ronak comes out of the shop and Munna understood his guilt. He thought that, yes, you are right. Ronak is your best friend because though he was so rich, he helped you in your need, in your trouble. That's why he is your best friend. At that time, Ronak says, "Hello Munna, here is your money, Aman." And he gave his money to Aman. But Aman says, "But you did the work, Ronak." But Ronak says, "I did the work for you, Aman, because you are in trouble. You are not feeling well. That's why it's my duty, it's my responsibility to complete your job." Aman says, "Now I am better. Now I am feeling well. I will go back to work tomorrow." At that time, Munna says, "Thank you, Ronak. You have shown me what true friendship is." "Sorry, Aman. Sorry, Ronak. But now I know a friend in need is friend in need. Just playing and enjoying together is not friendship, but sharing emotions and problems of our friends is the mark of real or true friendship." Thank you.